Good morning, dear students. I hope yesterday you all enjoyed the story of Curly Locks and the Three Bears. You all have completed new words, meanings, make a sentence, and question answer, right? So, in our today's session, we will do different exercises of these lessons, and we will also write the composition on my family, and we will do one activity of pasting different pictures of your family members in your notebook. Okay, so watch all videos properly and then write all the things properly in your English notebook and paste all the pictures of your family members in your notebook properly. So let's start our today's English session. Okay students, open your English textbook, page number 100. Let's do the different exercises of the lesson Curly Locks and the Three Bears, Unit 6. Open page number 100. Now see here. First, let's read. Okay? First sentence. My sister's hair is soft and curly. Again, I am reading. You also repeat. My sister's hair is soft and curly. Second, when I am hungry, I eat a lot. Okay? Hungry, curly. Curly, hungry. Okay? Now see, reading is fun. Here question answers are given which we had already done yesterday. Okay? Now next page. See here. Let's write the bear family. Papa bear, mama bear and baby bear. Here bear family is given. Papa bear, mama bear and baby bear. Now what you have to do, bring pictures of your family members. Okay, you have to collect the pictures of your family member, and here is given take some chart paper. But I am giving you this activity in your notebook. So in your notebook, not in chart paper, but you have to do this activity in your notebook. Write on it my family or my family members. Stick pictures of your family members and write their names. Use Mr. and Mrs. for elder people. Then near your picture write this is me and stick your picture under it and write your name. Okay, so what you have to do, see in your notebook. In your notebook, you have to write my family or my family members, and then you have to paste the picture, for example, grandfather, grandmother, and then you have to write the name of your grandfather starting with Mr. and name of your grandmother starting with Mrs. Then father, mother, then if uncle and aunt is also there with you, they live with you, then paste their picture also, then your cousins also. Okay, and then write this is me and then here write your name. Okay, write here your name, this is me, and then your sister or your brother, then paste their pictures also. Okay, then we will write the composition on my family. You all know what we have to do in the composition of my family. See, in notebook you have to write my family. I have a wonderful family. Right? मेरे पास बड़ी wonderful family है. There are 10 members in my family. See here I have written 10. But if you are only 4 members in your family, write here only 4 members. Okay? Then who are they? Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt, my sister, me and my 2 cousins. Okay, cousins may be a sister or brother. Then third sentence, my family is a joint family. See, if here only you have written father, mother, you or father, mother, you and your sister or brother, then you write here nuclear family, that my family is a nuclear family. Fourth, my father is an engineer and my mother is a school teacher. Now you have to write what is your father here and what is your mother here by profession. Okay, my father is an engineer and my mother is a school teacher by profession. But here you have to write what is your father and your mother. Then fifth, my uncle and aunt are lawyers. Why I have written? Because they live with me. If your uncle and aunt do not live with you, then don't write. Sixth, all my family members love, respect and care for each other. Right? If we live in joint family, then all family members love each other, they respect of each other and they take care of each other. Right? Seventh, we also help each other in our family. We also help, no? We help our grandparents, we help our parents, uncle, aunt, brother, sister. We all help each other, right? In our family. Next sentence. We all love to spend time with each other. Right? We all love to spend time with each other. एक दूसरे के साथ हमें time spend करना अच्छा लगता है ना? Yes. My family has taught me good lessons. Right? We always learn good things, good manners, good lessons from our family. So my family has taught me many good things. And last, I love my family. मुझे मेरी family बहुत प्यारी है. Okay, so this is the composition on my family. Write it in your notebook or where you have written composition. If you can also write in continuous page. Okay. Okay, students. Now turn the page of your textbook, page number 102. Let's see the exercise. The words curly and hungry tell us about curly locks. Right? We saw two words, curly and hungry. These two words tell us about curly locks. Can you find some more words which describe the bears? Means Papa bear, Mama bear and baby bear. Can you find some more words? Think. Now form them into sentences of your own. Here we have to write the word which we can use for the bears. Right? Means the family members of bear. Papa bear, Mama bear. Okay? So let's think. First is caring. Right? Caring. The Papa bear is very caring. Okay? Then loving. Then strong. You can use the word strong. Then curious. Then soft. Then talkative. Then brave. Large. Happy. Sad. Okay, these are some words which we can use for the bears. Now we have to form the sentences from this, right? So you try to frame the sentences, then I will send you the pic of the sentences. Okay, next exercise, same page 102. Let's listen and enjoy. A sailor went to sea. See, this is a sailor. And where did he go? He went to sea. To see what he could see. See, this is also sea and this is also sea. But this sea means the place full of water. right? See. And this see means I can see. See means dekhna. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Right? So this sea and this sea are homophones. Right? Both we can pronounce the same. But their spellings also different and their meanings also different. So here two homophones are given, sea and tail. Right? This tail means dog's tail, pooch, and this tail means story. Right? So we have to frame here. For example, first sea. So we can write here that the sea water is salty. Now this sea. I can see the image clearly. Okay, then tail. Tail. My dog's tail is very long. Then my grandmother told me tale of fairy yesterday night. Okay, so these 4 sentences you also have to write in your notebook. Okay, next exercise on page number 103. See here. The bear family went for a walk before dinner. Somebody came in. Look at what they did. The bear family went for a walk, right? Before dinner. Dinner से पहले वो walk पे गए थे. Somebody came in और कोई अंदर आया. Look at what they did और वो कोई आया उसने क्या कर दिया. See. Can you find something different in this picture? Right? The cat is on the chair. A plant is under the chair. The flowers are in the plate. Right? On the plate here. Shoe is also in the water jug. Right? Rat is on the flowers basket. Ball is also on the plate. Right? So these all had done when bear family went for a walk. Now see, write about all the things kept in the wrong places. Here we have to write different things which kept in the wrong places. For example, a ball blank Peppa Bear's plate. So a ball is kept on Papa Bear's plate. A flower is kept on Mama Bear's plate. A plant is kept under Baby Bear's chair. Right? Now what else do you see in the picture that you imagine and then try to write? You frame the sentences and then I will send you the answer. First you try to find out and write down the answer. Then I will send you some answers.